Paradise
Guys,
Seafood
good afternoon
Restaurant.
everyone. As you can see, we're here at the SMC side today, guys, with my friend from... Where you from, bro?
Sa Australia. Australia, from Australia.
He's from Australia, guys, and he'll be leaving now to Leyte.
Leyte.
Yeah, because of his wife is living in Leyte. So now, guys, we need to find a good restaurant here because we need to eat seafoods, guys. Because today we're so much... we like to eat seafoods because of the too much raining today, guys. We need to take a hot soap, guys.
Ay, sa English speaking.
Let's go, guys. So let's go. So let's go,
Ano
guys.
tawag
Come
sa'yo
on.
dyan? Ano mo? Sa tawag sa'yo. Tawag
Bandam
mo
na
sa
Cebu.
kanila.
Bandam, guys lang.
Guys.
Oh.
Hello guys.
Okay, guys, let's go, guys. We're going to eat now.
Subscribe.
Don't forget to follow my Facebook page, guys, Benjo Serra Vlogs, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Bandam ng Cebu. And don't forget to subscribe to his channel also, guys. What is your channel, bro?
Soon to be.
What is the name of your channel now?
Bisacano Vlog.
Bisikano Vlog, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And your Facebook, bro?
Wala pa.
Wala pa Facebook, bro. Sige, sige. Guys, dahil naman na tayo sa YouTube naman tayo, ha? Sige, guys. Bye-bye. Love you, Mama Chop Chop. Oh, yeah. Alright. Hi, guys. Good everyone. As you can see, we're at the seaside, guys. We're gonna find a seafood restaurant, yes, because we need to eat seafood today because we're so hungry now. And we miss the seafood food, guys. So, as you can see, kasama ngayon yung kaibigan ko na si, ang pangalan, bro?
Bart.
Bro, Bart from Australia, guys. Now we need to go the place of Leyte because he wants to try. He wants to try vacation there because he missed their family and relatives there, guys. So now, guys, let's go. Let's find a good seafood restaurant. Balik na tatlo.
Guys, dito po kami sa SMC. Kain po kami sa Seafood Restaurant. Yan po, guys. Bye.
Oh. Oh. Eh.
Bukay tayo.
Oh. Ikaw bahala dyan. Sige. Hindi tayo mag-start sa'yo.
Kaya na.
Oh. So guys, dito tayo sa... Ang tawag to? Nalimutan ko.
Seafood Paradise.
Seafood Paradise, guys, sa loob ng SMC side with my brother from Australia and my queen from Motes Island. Yes. So this video, guys, I think it's we need to turn off now because we need to eat now. We're so hungry now, guys. So let's eat, guys. Let's go. Anong okra? Parati kami kumakain sa bahay niyan, okra.
Maganda ito katawan.
Oh. Ang pagkain nito, guys. Kinila. Bihon. Seafood. Seafood, guys. May sweet na lumpia. Sweet Ito, Seafood Bar Paradise.
Open ka ma'am, sir. 499.
Budol. Seafood Bar guys. Ngayon na ngayon. Drinks nila. Guys, kakain na kami. Guys, gutom na guys. Time na tayo.
Gutom na.
So guys, simulan na kami ng sibugan guys. With my brother. My brother Brad bro. My brother Brad guys. He's from Australia guys. Now we're here at the seafood restaurant at SMC side Cebu guys. With the Wayne Airport. Oh, Wayne Airport. Margie, one of the guys. Guys, ito yung pagkain nito guys. Ayan, pagkain. Ayan. Ayan bro, seafoods, ito. Sa seafoods kaya may ano yung suso at saka ang tawag nun? Ang tawag nun, suso at saka kalimutan ka man. Talaba pala guys. Kulang sila sa ano, wala sila. May saang na bro? Okay saang? Wala saang. Wala pa saang daw guys.
Wala.
Wala saang daw. Ay, ito naman na kayo mga guys, wala pang saang. Guys.